Foot is on the way. Our next guest is unquestionably the greatest congressman / prize fighter of all time. He's got rockets for fists and a song in his heart. On November 12th, he goes toe-to-toe in Las Vegas with Juan Manuel Marquez for the third time. You can watch it live on pay-per-view. Please welcome the pride of the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao.
To see you. We even have a guy that looks like you in the front there. How are you?
Good.
Good. That's not you. That's a different person. Don't worry. This is the fifth time you've been here. Each time you've been here, you've won the fight. I feel like we're a team, really.
Yeah. I feel like we're lucky.
I'm like your rabbit's foot. Yeah. Only hairier.
That's right.
It's very good to see you. We have this guy. For those who don't follow boxing, this is a guy you fought twice before. You guys finished in a draw, and then you won by split decision. He believes. Well, this is a photograph you have hanging on the wall of your gym. Marquez beat Pacquiao twice. His mother made him that shirt. And this is something that motivates you, yes?
Yes.
Does it, when you see it, does it make you angry? Does fury run through your veins?
I'm not angry, but I always ask myself that, what I need to prove. I won the fight, so. And
so you want to make it that there's no question about who's the better fighter, and you want to pound this guy, right?
I did my best for this ring count, so.
Is he a good fighter?
It's good, but you
always seem very relaxed. Even going into the ring, other fighters are very serious and come out and they try to look as mean and tough, but you're smiling and kind of waving at people.
It's kind of I'm just excited for the fight, and I'm excited to give a good show. And I work hard at the gym, and at that night we'll perform.
You feel like you're ready. It's time to show off what you've worked on.
Exactly.
You even for the last fight, you had the lead singer of Survivor singing "Eye of the Tiger" as you came out.
Yes.
How does that work? Do you call the guy? And who do you have set for this next fight? Do you have something in mind?
No.
You don't?
Not yet.
Oh, wow. You know what would be great? Get New Edition to sing "Cool It Now."
I'm thinking if I can sing walking into the ring.
You can sing that? That's a great idea. That would terrify me if I was your opponent. You even so relaxed that you and Marquez sang a duet together on Spanish television, which we have a clip of. There's a bird. There's a bird. What is the bird doing there?
I don't know.
I don't want to get ahead because you have a fight, obviously, in a couple weeks here, but everyone always asks about Floyd Mayweather. We talked about it with Eddie Murphy a minute ago. Do you think he's scared to fight you?
I don't know what's the reason, but I'm ready to fight, and
I have the solution to this. I really think I do, and this is not a joke. It's as simple as this. You think you're going to win the fight? He thinks he's going to win the fight, rather than any issue about the financial considerations, who gets what, whatever. Winner takes all. Winner gets all the money, whatever it is. Would you sign up for a deal like that?
I don't think he will.
What about you, though? Would you do that?
Of course.
Oh, I like it. By the way, I know you have many business ventures, and this is your latest, which I love. This is Manny Pacquiao broccoli.
Broccoli, yes.
You have your own broccoli.
Yes, that's my new produce.
Are you growing this in your yard, or what's going on here? How did this happen? Do you even eat broccoli?
Yes, I love to.
Oh, you love
I
broccoli?
love broccoli. Yeah.
I like broccoli
Yeah.
too.
That's keep me strong and healthy.
That's like Popeye had spinach, Manny Pacquiao has broccoli.
Yeah.
And that's because if your kids aren't eating the broccoli, you can just hold up the box and go, Manny's going to come punch you in the mouth if you don't eat the broccoli.
It's good.
Well, Manny, we have a tradition around here, and that is a song. And when we come back, if you'd be so kind, we are going to hear a song from Manny Pacquiao. This is Pacquiao versus Marquez 3, Saturday, November 12th, live on pay-per-view. Be right back with Manny.